This video we're going to be working on the 2019 370Z. We're going to put some LED lights inside. Real quick, easy modification. This will make your car look a lot better. Since the car is black, we've got black tinted windows, I decided to do red in here. But we're basically going to change out the bulbs that are inside of it with some LED bulbs and make it look pretty bad. We're basically going to take the bulbs, replace them with some LED bulbs, and make it look pretty awesome on the inside. You can use red, green, blue, purple, pink, whatever color you want. Now it's not completely dark in here, but it's dark enough that you can get the idea. We're going to start with the trunk since it's an easy mod. When you open this up, this gives your car a much more significantly cool look than the factory white one. I've also done the interior, so when you open up the inside, you get a nice red glow from the inside also. Looks pretty awesome at nighttime. One of the later videos I've added some underbody lights to it too. Basically installed them off of the door switch. I pulled the wire off of the lights up top and fed it down through the consoles and stuff. But in this video we're just going to concentrate mainly on the small LEDs. And I also took inexpensive Walmart LED strip and just pulled off of the line right there and lit up the back of it so it lights it up even more. That one light is not going to be enough to light up your trunk. Now I went to the world's favorite store, Amazon.com, and I picked these up. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to pull out the factory, I believe that's a 194. If not, it's very similar to a 194. And we're going to put it in a little LED spad plate. So basically we're replacing glass bulb with a LED bulb. Now if you have any body tools, they come in handy. You don't necessarily need a body tool for this, but the plastic body tools will help keep you from scratching things up, whereas using a metal tool, screwdriver or something, which would still work, but it's most likely going to do some damage. This tool, on the inside here you'll see a little groove. You slide it behind that and you turn it and your light's out. So basically you're going to unplug the old bulb, plug in the new LED bulb, and again what I did is inside here I tied into these. I put a couple quick connects on them. I just fed my wire down to the bottom, and literally as you open the trunk, that comes on at the same exact time. That goes back in, pop it shut, and you're. Now as far as our front ones go, it's basically the same thing. I'm going to shut these off so you can see what we're doing. I'm going to stick this tool up in behind here, pull straight down. It's going to come loose and pop it right off. Same thing, you got to pop that little bulb out of there, pop the new bulb in there, and that's all there is to it. This cover, I'm going to put the cover back on. You line up the 4 little pins that are in there, push up, clicks in place, and that's all there is to it. So again, we're pitch black in here. And that's what our interior looks like. It's really hard to see with the red light. Camera doesn't pick up red light very well. But you'll get the idea. Looks 100 times better to me than the factory white light does. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe. Click like on the video below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them.